Today we are making a super simple and quick wheat flour microwave cookie that's perfect for any chocolate craving. In a bowl, take 1/4 cup wheat flour, 1½ teaspoon cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Then add 2 tablespoons melted ghee. You can use oil or butter here. Mix until the mixture is well combined. If the cookie dough looks dry, then add 1/4 teaspoon milk here. Add some chocolate chunks. You can use chocolate chips as well. With this dough, we make 2 medium-sized cookies. Place them directly on the parchment paper. There is no need to use any microwave safe plate. Parchment paper works well here. We place them in microwave like this only. Set the timer for 1 minute and press the start button. That's it. Our delicious chocolate cookies are ready in just 1 minute. Try it and you will not regret.